Has Bitcoin finally changed its price direction after closing its first week in the green, following 9 consecutive ones in the red? We're going to find out from an article from Crypto Potato. Welcome back, everybody, to another edition of Coin Toss, the 411, where we try to bring you the latest in crypto and NFT news by taking various news articles and turning them into short videos for you to enjoy. So before we get started, if you'd like to join us on Facebook, you can find our link in the description, as well as our referral links where you can find out how to get free money in crypto. With that said, let's dive in. After 9 consecutive weeks of closing lower than the previous one, Bitcoin finally managed to break this negative trend and marked its first green weekly candle since late March. This came as the asset jumped to and beyond 30,000 in the past 12 hours. It was at the end of March when the landscape around the primary cryptocurrency seemed significantly more bullish. At that point, Bitcoin had added over 10,000 in 2 weeks and looked primed to challenge the coveted 50,000 line. However, what followed was precisely the opposite. Instead of heading further north, BTC started retracing, sometime more gradually, sometimes more violently. Weeks later, it equaled a negative record in terms of consecutive weekly candles closed in the red, 6. However, the streak continued and Bitcoin saw its 9th such candle in a row last week. The past 7 days were more positive as BTC even spiked above 32,000 midweek. Despite failing there and returning below 30,000, the cryptocurrency still managed to close the week above 29,250, the closing price at the end of last week. As such, it saw its first weekly green candle since March of 21st. Just hours after that, the situation took another turn for the better as BTC jumped above 30,000 and now sits even north of 31,000. But is the worst over? With Bitcoin losing over 20,000 in 2 months at one point, many community analysts started speculating on whether the asset had finally found its local bottom. The latest such discussions, as reported by Crypto Potato yesterday, touched upon the capitulation phase, which, according to Crypto Quant, has seen investors dumping large portions of their BTC holdings. The analysts argue that the markets tend to bottom out in such conditions when investors have disposed of their assets even at a loss. In bear markets, long-term holders' capitulation usually marks a multi-year bottom, they added. Nevertheless, Crypto Quant warned that this sell-off could take weeks or even months to finish and not be a one-time thing. Will Bitcoin head further north to try 38,000 or bottom to 25,000? What prices do you see Bitcoin ranging? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you made it this far in the video, we want to say thank you for watching. And remember, I am not a financial or investment advisor. And beware of scammers in the comment section. This is for educational, entertainment purposes only. So if you enjoyed this content, do me a favor. Hit the like and subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And until next time,